Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down what can get you disqualified from receiving unemployment benefits in Tennessee. Losing your job is tough, and navigating the unemployment system can be confusing, so knowing the rules up front can save you a lot of time and stress. Let's dive into the common reasons why a claim might be denied. The number one factor is the reason you're unemployed. If you voluntarily quit your job without what the state calls good cause, you will likely be disqualified. Good cause isn't just about disliking your boss or wanting a change of scenery. It has to be a compelling, work-related reason, like documented unsafe working conditions, a significant and unagreed-upon change in your job duties, or a direct result of a medical necessity. Simply being unhappy at work is not considered good cause. On the other hand, if you were fired, your eligibility depends heavily on why you were fired. Tennessee law makes a distinction between simple misconduct and gross misconduct. If you were terminated for simple misconduct, which might include things like carelessness or unintentionally violating a minor company rule, you might face a temporary disqualification period, often called a penalty week. However, if you were fired for gross misconduct, that's a much more serious issue. Gross misconduct involves a deliberate and willful disregard for your employer's interests. This includes actions like theft, insubordination, fighting on the job, or showing up under the influence of drugs or alcohol. This type of behavior will almost certainly disqualify you from receiving any benefits based on the wages from that employer. But getting approved is only the first step. You also have to follow the rules to keep your benefits coming. A major ongoing requirement is that you cannot refuse an offer of suitable work. If you are offered a job that is a reasonable match for your skills, experience, and previous pay rate, and you turn it down without a good reason, your benefits can be stopped. You must also be actively searching for a new job each week. Tennessee requires you to make a specific number of work search contacts and report them accurately when you file your weekly certification. If you fail to do this, you won't be paid for that week. Furthermore, you must be both able and available for work. This means you need to be physically and mentally capable of working and ready to accept a job offer immediately. If you're too sick to work, on vacation, or lack childcare arrangements, you are not considered available and cannot claim benefits for that period. Another critical point is honesty. Never, under any circumstances, provide false information on your application or weekly certifications. Don't misrepresent why you lost your job or fail to report earnings from a part-time gig you might have. This is fraud, and if you get caught, the consequences are severe. You will be disqualified, forced to pay back all the benefits you received, and could face hefty financial penalties. Also, be aware of how other payments can affect you. Receiving certain types of income, like severance packages, vacation payouts, or pension payments, can reduce your benefit amount or make you ineligible for the weeks you receive that income. Finally, if your unemployment is the result of a labor dispute, such as a strike, you are generally not eligible to receive benefits for the duration of that dispute. We hope this breakdown helps you understand the main disqualifiers in Tennessee. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Let us know in the comments if you have any general questions.